Dear students, in our previous session we came across the trigonometric function of allied angles. In that we've seen trigonometric function for allied angle minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus theta and pi plus theta. So now trigonometric function for allied angle 3 pi by 2 minus x, okay, 3 pi by 2 minus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus x, and then 3 pi by 2 plus x, 2 pi minus x, 2 pi plus x, that we'll see now. Okay, see, sine 3 pi by 2 minus x, okay, sine 3 pi by 2 minus x, this can be written as sine pi plus pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 we can split as pi by 2 we are adding 3 times, then we will get 3 pi by 2, means pi plus pi by 2, okay, minus x. Okay, 180 degree plus 90, 270 degree. This is nothing but 270 degree. Okay, now we can consider pi by 2 minus x as theta. Then it becomes sine pi plus theta. Okay, but you know, sine pi plus theta, it comes in the third quadrant. Okay, sine pi plus theta in the third quadrant. So here what we'll get, this is nothing but minus sine theta will get. In the third quadrant, if you consider sine function, it is negative. Okay, so this is nothing but minus sine theta. So minus sine theta is nothing but what? Pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. So minus sine pi by 2 minus x in the first quadrant. Okay, pi by 2 minus x, sine pi by 2 minus x is nothing but cos x. Okay, so you got the value sine 3 pi by 2 minus x is nothing but minus cos x, minus cos x. Okay, similarly, what is the value of cos pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 minus x? Okay, cos 3 pi by 2 minus x, this can be written as c cos pi plus pi by 2 minus x. Now pi by 2 minus x you can consider as theta, so we'll get this one as cos pi plus theta. Okay, cos pi plus theta, again it comes in third quadrant. We've seen in the last class that cos pi plus theta in the third quadrant it is negative. Okay, so we'll get this is nothing but minus cos theta, minus cos theta. Okay, so now we can observe here minus cos theta is nothing but what? Pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so minus cos pi by 2 minus x is nothing but sin x. Okay, so you got the value of cos 3 pi by 2 minus x is nothing but minus sin x. See, sin 3 pi by 2 minus x is nothing but minus cos x. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus x is nothing but minus sin x. So that we can find the value of tan 3 pi by 2 minus x. This is the ratio of sin and cos. So minus cos x by minus sin x, that is nothing but plus cot x. Okay, cos x by sin x is nothing but cot x. Similarly, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, this is the reciprocal of tan 3 pi by 2 minus x. So we'll get 1 by cot x, that is nothing but tan x. Okay, tan x you will get, tan x. Okay, similarly, secant pi by 2 minus x, this is the reciprocal of cos 3 pi by 2 minus x. So 1 by minus sin x, that is nothing but minus cosecant x. Okay, similarly, cosecant 3 pi by 2, cosecant 3 pi by 2 minus x, and this is nothing but reciprocal of sin 3 pi by 2 minus x. So 1 by minus cos x, that is minus secant x. So likewise we will get the value for trigonometric function. Okay, value of trigonometric function of the allied angle 3 pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now next we will see the value of trigonometric function of allied angle 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 plus x. Okay, now this comes in fourth quadrant. You can observe here, as I said, here we'll get theta, here pi by 2 minus theta, here we can observe pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus theta, pi plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, third quadrant, 3 pi by 2 plus theta in fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus theta in which quadrant? The fourth quadrant, 2 pi plus theta in the first quadrant. Okay, so now 3 pi by 2 plus x or 3 pi by 2 plus theta comes in fourth quadrant. Okay, in fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal is positive and all the trigonometric function takes negative angle. So here negative value will get. So here we'll see sin 3 pi by 2 plus x we can solve as similar of your previous step. Okay, pi plus pi by 2 minus x, okay, plus 6, like this we can consider. So we'll get here, this is nothing but theta you can consider. So sin pi plus theta, okay, sin pi plus theta, this is nothing but minus sin theta in third quadrant, minus sin theta, but minus sin theta is nothing but pi by 2 plus x. Okay, so minus sin pi by 2 plus x comes in second quadrant. We've seen that sin pi by 2 plus x is nothing but cos x. Okay, cos x will get, and in second quadrant this value is positive will get, so minus into cos x minus cos x. Okay, this value is nothing but cos x only. So here minus of cos x minus cos x. Okay, so similarly now next cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x can be written as cos pi plus pi by 2 plus x. So this you can consider as theta. So we'll get this is nothing but cos pi plus theta. Okay, so cos pi plus theta comes in third quadrant. Its value is minus sin theta. So minus sin theta is nothing but pi by 2 plus x. Okay, pi by 2 plus x. So minus sin pi by 2 plus x. Okay, here. Okay, so this is nothing but here. Cos pi plus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So minus cos theta, cos pi by 2 plus x, because theta we consider as pi by 2 plus x. Okay, so minus cos pi by 2 plus x in the second quadrant, cos is negative, so we'll get this value is nothing but minus sin theta, minus sin x will get here, minus sin x. So minus in minus, that is plus sin x. So cos value got positive in fourth quadrant. Okay, so see here, sin 3 pi by 2 plus x is nothing but sin 3 pi by 2 minus plus x is nothing but minus cos x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is nothing but sin x. Sin x. Okay. Now next you can observe tan 3 pi by 2 plus x. Tan is the ratio of sin and cos. So we'll get tan 3 pi by 2 plus x is nothing but sin 3 pi by 2 plus x divided by cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, means minus cos x by sin x minus cot x will get, minus cot x. Similarly, cot 3 pi by 2 plus x, this is the reciprocal of tan 3 pi by 2 plus x. So 1 by minus cot x minus tan x, its value. Similarly, secant 3 pi by 2 plus x, it is the reciprocal of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. So 1 by sin x, nothing but cosecant x. Similarly, next cosecant 3 pi by 2 plus x, this is the reciprocal of sin 3 pi by 2 plus x. So sin 3 pi by 2 plus x is nothing but minus cos x. 1 by minus cos x is nothing but minus secant x. So likewise, we get the value for the trigonometric function for allied angle 3 pi by 2 plus x. Okay. So in the fourth quadrant, you can observe here cos 3 pi by 2 plus x and secant pi by 2 plus x are positive, means cos and its reciprocal is positive in fourth quadrant. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant, again another allied angle will get, that is 2 pi minus x. Okay, see 2 pi minus x. Okay, see here, if you consider one unit circle and if you do one revolution, okay, of the central angle, the complete revolution gives 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. Okay, complete revolution gives 2 pi radian, and 2 pi minus x means again we are coming back x radian. Okay, coming back x radian, then it becomes 2 pi minus x, and this is nothing but minus x radian. So 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x radian is same as minus x radian. So here we'll get same value as similar of minus x. Trigonometric function of minus x, what you call, same value will get for 2 pi minus x also. That is, this is nothing but sine 2 pi minus x is nothing but sine minus x we can say, and this is nothing but minus sine x. Okay, cos 2 pi minus x is nothing but cos minus x, and this is nothing but cos x, cos x. Okay, similarly next sine, okay, tan 2 pi minus x, this is nothing but tan minus x, tan minus x is nothing but minus tan x. Cot 2 pi minus x is nothing but cot minus x, and this is nothing but minus cot x. Okay, secant 2 pi minus x is equal to secant of minus x. Okay, in the fourth quadrant, secant of minus x is nothing but secant x. It is positive, we'll get, because it is the reciprocal of cos 2 pi minus x. So next one is cosecant 2 pi minus x. This is nothing but cosecant of minus x. Cosecant minus x is nothing but minus cosecant x. Okay, so these are the values we'll get for the allied angle 2 pi minus x, which is same as the allied angle minus x. Okay, now the next one, after complete revolution, after one revolution, again we can come back to our original position. Okay, this is complete revolution. Okay, here angle is 2 pi radian. Again, if you come to first quadrant, okay, with the central angle x, the total angle, okay, one revolution agi complete agi illige puna bandre, this is nothing but 2 pi plus x. So 2 pi plus x is same as the x radian. Okay, the angle 2 pi plus x, okay, because it is what, the complete revolution, a period. Okay, after a period it come back to again the initial position. So 2 pi plus x is same as x will get. So sin 2 pi plus x is nothing but sin x, cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x, tan 2 pi plus x is equal to tan x, cosecant 2 pi x is equal to cosecant x, secant 2 pi plus x is equal to secant x, cot 2 pi plus x is equal to cot x. So these are the trigonometric function for allied angle. Okay, see, we'll see here one by one. Here, if you write the allied angles, okay, in the first column, okay, you can consider x or minus theta, x or theta. Okay, so theta, if you consider, first allied angle is minus theta for theta. Okay, next one is pi by 2 minus theta, 90 degree. Okay, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, next 90 plus theta, 90 degree plus theta, 180 degree minus theta, 180 degree plus theta, 270 degree minus theta, 270 degree plus theta, 360 degree minus theta, 360 degree plus theta. Means here minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta in radian, this is nothing but pi by 2 plus theta, pi plus theta, pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, this is minus plus 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta. Okay, so now the trigonometric functions, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Okay, cosecant. So trigonometric function of these allied angles I list out now. See here, sine minus theta in the first quadrant, here it comes in fourth quadrant. So this is nothing but minus sine theta. Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta. Tan minus theta is nothing but minus tan theta. Okay, like this we will get cot minus cot theta, secant theta, and minus cosecant theta. Okay. Now here what we'll get, see the angle changes here. It is in the first quadrant all are positive. So cos theta, sine theta, cot theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta. Okay. And second quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta comes in second quadrant. Here we can observe the sine is positive. Okay, sine is here positive, sine and its reciprocal. So for sine we'll get angle is, the value is cos theta, but for cos theta we'll get minus sin theta, tan minus cot theta minus tan theta, secant theta minus cosecant theta, cosecant theta, that is secant theta. Okay. Next, 180 degree minus theta, see here, that is pi minus theta. Okay, here we get in the second quadrant only, sine and its reciprocal is positive. So cos theta minus tan theta minus cot theta minus secant theta plus cosecant theta. Okay. So this is the value of trigonometric function for pi minus theta. Next, for pi plus theta, again it comes in third quadrant. So tan and its reciprocal is positive. So we'll get here the value sin theta minus sin theta, because it is negative. Only tan and its reciprocal is positive. Okay, so this is positive, we'll get cot also positive, secant negative, cosecant is negative. Okay, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, again it comes in third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal is positive. So we'll get minus cos theta minus sin theta plus cot theta for tan theta. For secant, 3 pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but minus cosecant theta, and cosecant 3 pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but minus secant theta. Okay. The next one, sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, in fourth quadrant, sine is negative, only cos and its reciprocal is positive. So sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta, this is nothing but minus cos theta, and cos is nothing but plus sin theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but sin theta. Tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but minus cot theta. This is minus tan theta. Cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta is minus tan theta. Secant 3 pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but plus cosecant theta, because it is positive, and cosecant 3 pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but minus secant theta. Okay, next, 360 degree minus theta or 2 pi minus theta. For this we get the angle is same, the value is same as minus theta, that is minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, cos theta minus tan theta minus cot theta secant theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, next, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is it comes same value, that is sin 2 pi plus theta is nothing but theta only here. So sin theta, for cos we'll get cos theta, tan theta, cot 2 pi plus theta is equal to cot theta, secant 2 pi plus theta is equal to secant theta, cosecant 2 pi plus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Okay, so here this is the trigonometric function of allied angle. Okay, this is a table we obtained. See again here in the first row we considered what trigonometric functions, and here the allied angles. Okay, in terms of degree and radian I written with the angle theta we considered here. Okay, so now see here, sine minus theta is nothing but minus sine theta, cos minus theta is cos theta, comes which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Okay, this is in fourth quadrant and this is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, this is in the first quadrant. 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta in fourth quadrant. Okay, 270 plus theta in fourth quadrant. This is in third quadrant, second quadrant, 2 pi minus theta second quadrant, 90 plus theta second quadrant, 90 minus theta first quadrant. See here, in the first quadrant, you know, by quadrant rule, all trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal is positive, and in the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal is positive, and in the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal is positive. That is quadrantal or ASTC rule. Okay, so here you can observe first quadrant 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Okay, in which all trigonometric functions are positive value. Okay, positive. Here also all are positive. But in second quadrant you can observe 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Sine and its reciprocal is positive. So here we can observe sine is positive and all negative, and its reciprocal is positive, cosecant. Similarly, here 180 degree minus theta, that is pi minus theta, here also sine is positive and all are negative. Okay, again cosecant is positive. Cosecant means it is a reciprocal of sine, they are positive. Similarly, in third quadrant, that is 180 degree plus theta, 270 degree minus theta, tan and its reciprocal is positive. Okay, you can observe here 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta, tan. Okay, tan value what you got here, that is tan theta, and here cot theta, they are positive, but here all are negative value. Similarly, cot value also positive in those two angles, that is 180 degree plus theta, cot theta cot 270 degree minus theta is nothing but tan theta, so they are positive, again all are negative. Okay, next in fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal is positive. Cos means you can observe here cos value for 270 degree plus theta in the fourth quadrant, 360 degree minus theta in fourth quadrant. Okay, they are positive got because cos value sin theta and cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Similarly, its reciprocal, that is secant 270 plus theta is nothing but cosecant theta, secant 360 minus theta is nothing but secant theta. They are positive, and all trigonometry function takes negative value for these two allied angle, 270 plus theta and for 360 minus theta. Okay, this is negative, it is negative, cot is negative, cosecant is negative. Okay, again the last column is, that is of first quadrant only, first quadrant all are positive. So this is of the sign how it come. Okay, nimge sign of the values. Okay, sign of the values how it came you can observe here according to ASTC rule. According to quadrant rule we got the sign of the trigonometric function. Okay, now next how the values we can remember. Okay, how the values for sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, sin cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. How we can remember that? See, for that we can use one method here to remember this. If you have allied angles 90 into n plus or minus theta, where n is E1. Okay, 90 into n plus or minus theta, and where n is even, then we'll get same value for the trigonometric function, same value. Okay, then the trigonometric function, the name same will get. Okay, sine of that angle is sine only will get. See here, 90 into n is even. If you take n is even, we can take n as 0, we'll get that is nothing but 0 plus or minus theta means what? Plus theta and okay minus theta. Okay, if you take n as even numbers, 2, 4, 6 natural numbers, so 0 is also considered. Okay, so next for n is equal to, if n is equal to 0, we'll get this one. Okay, if n is equal to 2, what will get angles here? 180, correct alva? 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Similarly, if you consider n is equal to 4, we'll get 360 plus theta and 360 minus theta. Okay, so in these angles, we'll get the trigonometric function takes same name. Okay, and name changes agudilla nodi illi, sine of minus theta. Okay, if you consider all trigonometric function of minus theta, you can observe sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. The name nodi sin theta ide, cos ide, tan you have for cot, secant, cosecant. Next 180 plus theta. Okay, sine 180 plus theta. Sine only we have the name here. For cos we have cos, tan get tan ide, cot name ide, secant cosecant. Okay, 180 degree minus theta case same ide, sine 180 degree minus theta is sin theta, cos 180 degree minus theta is minus cos theta, the name same. Tan ide, cot, secant, cosecant. Next 360 degree minus theta. Okay, for here also sine you have sine only, cos you have cos, tan only you have cot, secant, cosecant. 360 plus theta also sine only you have here. For cos you have cos only, tan you have tan, cot ide, secant, cosecant. 360 plus theta is cosecant theta. Means here, if you consider in generally 90 into n plus or minus theta, where n is even, then name same. Trigonometric function takes the name same. But in the second case, okay, second case, this is case number 1. Case number 2, if you consider same 90 into n plus or minus theta, where n is odd. If n is odd, then name changes. Means from trigonometric functions to co-trigonometric function, or from co-trigonometric functions to trigonometric function. Means you can observe for sine, cosine is the co-trigonometric function. For secant, cosecant is the co-trigonometric function. For tan, cotangent is the co-trigonometric function. Okay, so sine in the cosine. Okay, cosine. Then secant, from secant, cosecant will get. From tan, okay, name hege changes agtade nodi, cotangent. It reverses also, cosine to sine, cosecant to secant, cot to tan, cotangent to tan, like that. When if you have n is odd, that is here, if you take n is odd numbers, 90 into 1 plus or minus theta, that is 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. If you take n as 1, we'll get this one. If you take n as 3, we'll get 3 into 90, that is 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Okay, next it continuous ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. We are considering here one revolution. Okay, one revolution ಮಾತ್ರ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. See here, you can observe when n is odd, that is for this case 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, whether the trigonometry functions take name is changes, whether you can observe here sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, name changes, okay, cot in the tan ಗೆ, secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Similarly for 90 plus theta also you can observe sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant, it changed. Similarly 270 degree plus theta and 270 degree minus theta, for these two again you can observe sin to cos equal cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. So this is the way you can memorize this table, okay. When if you consider 90 into n plus or minus theta, if n is even then the name same. But if you consider 90 into n plus or minus theta, if n is odd, then the name changes. Of trigonometric function. And signs we can write positive or negative by using AST's rule or quadrant rule. All in the first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. In the second quadrant sine and its reciprocal positive, and third quadrant tan and its reciprocal is positive, and in the fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal is positive. All students take coffee. That is the way we can memorize, okay, understand here. So this is the trigonometric function of allied angles. Okay, so very easy to remember this, okay. So in future you want this one, okay. What is the value? Tan 180 degree minus theta. First you have to check, okay, 180 degree minus theta, okay, en bartade minus tan theta. Here tan 180 degree minus theta means here it is what? Even multiple of n, even multiple of 90, okay, 90 ಗೆ even number multiply ಆಗಿದೆ, so 180 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So name ನಿಮಗೆ same ಬರ್ತದೆ, name same. Sin in the second quadrant 180 degree minus theta, in the second quadrant tan is negative, so minus tan theta, okay. So next cot 270 degree minus theta, here n is odd, so the name changes, okay. So cot 270 degree minus theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ tan theta ಬರ್ತದೆ, and in third quadrant tan is positive, cot also positive, so cot is positive value will get. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ 90 or pi by 2 n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, okay. If n is even, name is same, okay. If n is odd, name changes, n into pi by 2 plus theta, okay, or 90 into n plus or minus theta, okay. So now in the next class we are going to solve some problems related allied angle and compound angles. After that we will go to trigonometric function of multiple angles, okay, and submultiple angles. Thank you.